All right, here number 5, you have triangle WXY is congruent to triangle ZYV. What is angle A, or what is A? Well, notice that here you have angle X, which is in the third spot. That corresponds to the Y. So we can put a 52 here. Then we can triangle sum this. 84 plus 52 plus A equals to 180. 84 plus 52, that gets you 136 plus A is equal to 180. 180 minus 136, A equals to 44. Again, the reason we're only allowed to do this is because of the congruency statement. All right. So notice here we have WY. WY is the first two. That is going to match up with ZX right here. So line segment WY is congruent to line segment ZX. So WY is equal to ZX. WY, which is right here, WY, it is 13 plus P is equal to ZX. This is ZX right here, is 4 plus 18. So 13 plus P is equal to 18 plus 4, which is 22, minus 13 to both sides. This cancels. P is equal to 9. Then let's take a look at this one. Well, we know that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDB. Okay, so angle 41 is going to be congruent to X. How do you know that? Well, it's congruent, right? So therefore their parts have to be congruent. Okay, since the parts are congruent, right, then the angles have to be congruent. There you go. And D matches up with B. Okay. The next one, ABD is congruent to CDB. So AB, first two, matches up with CD, which is just Y. Y equals to 7. There you go.